So obviously I'm recording this right after I recorded my last one, still having the exact same cigar. But I want to talk about the camera because the whole idea here with the videos is to be able to get my reps in like I was talking about and to make it easy. I'm trying to remove the friction. One of the things that is really important when you're running your own business is to think in terms of systems. And when you think in terms of systems, you think in terms of a process. You have a certain input, you have certain things that happen automatically, not automatically necessarily. Sometimes it's you doing it, but it's a process. And then you get an output, something happens. And basically, all of our businesses are basically just a series of processes. Well, the process of putting out these videos like this, or any YouTube video, is certainly a process. Now, for some videos, it's a pretty involved process because there's a lot of editing, there's a lot of production and all that. And obviously, that takes time. And frankly, I'm not going to do it like that. I need my video process to be pretty easy. And it's mainly because videos like this are not my business. It's not like I make my money on YouTube. I make money by doing concierge services for my clients and helping them manage their WordPress sites. That's what I do all day long. So, but it's interesting. This is something we'll probably talk about later on as well, but that balancing act, which is a definite constant challenge of balancing working on my clients' websites, helping them out with their tasks, getting things done for them, but also being able to operate my own business. And but when it comes to operating my own business, the video process is something that's important. And I want to remove friction from it and make it as easy as possible. So one of the things I did was I picked up this new camera. Now it's interesting because I have this. This is my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Great camera. And one of the things I said, well, I could easily record things on this thing. And it would be pretty easy. The thing is, if I wanted to be somewhat stable and everything, I'd have to get a gimbal. I'd have to mount my phone into that thing. I'd have to put it on a tripod. This is a case that happens to have my credit cards and stuff on the back, and it's too thick. All right, so basically I'd have to remove this thing from the case in order to mount it and do all that stuff. Get it connected to audio because you can't use the built-in microphone because it will kind of sound like crap. I could use this on that, but that's another step. And so basically to turn this from phone into a camera and do it frequently and use it is friction. And I knew that that would probably make it to where I didn't look forward to doing it very much. I know that I could just sit there and point it at myself, but then it's going to be a little shaky. It's going to be using the internal microphone. It's a little bit more unflexible. Not saying I'm not going to use that sometimes, but it's not as easy. So what did I get? I got a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. That's what and I got the creator's kit or whatever they call it. That's what I'm recording on right now. It's actually actually, you know what? It's not even really like, let's see this. Try this. It's not tracking me right now, maybe because I'm sitting, but I tested it in there and it was tracking. It's on a gimbal, so I can move it around like this and it stays kind of steady. But the reason I got this is simply for workflow. It's so that it removes the friction. This is a really easy camera to use. I mean, once you get used to it, I'm still tinkering with it, trying to figure it out. But I could tripod mount it anywhere in my office. I don't have to keep the same view that I always have with my main desk camera, which is way nicer than this. And I could just turn it on and go versus all the setup of this thing. So that is really what I got. I got the Osmo Pocket 3, great camera. I'm not here to pitch the camera to you. What I'm actually really talking about is just thinking about the process. How can you remove constraints? How can you simplify it, remove steps so that you can get the output that you want? Sometimes that means you need to simplify your requirements a little bit and realize for the sake of videos that it doesn't need to be super fancy pants. It doesn't need to be Hollywood production. In fact, I think Simpler videos might even work better these days because they're just more real. And so that was the process. And if you're looking to put out more videos for your business, whatever business you're in, I bet you it would benefit from putting out more video marketing. Video marketing today, podcasts are similar. They just work better than a lot of other things because of all the noise. There's so much volume of noise out there. A lot of fake stuff too because of AI. But the thing is, doing stuff like this keeps the human relationship, markets your business. You can talk about what you want to talk about, but you just got to practice. You got to get your reps in, like I was talking about, and you need to simplify your process. And for me, that was worth it enough to spend a few $100s on this camera just so I can get my reps in without so much crap. It's kind of like if going to the gym, getting your reps in at the gym kind of sucks. But it sucks even more if you have to like get up, you got to get dressed, you got to drive there, you got all this setup work. If I could just do like that and I'm sitting at the gym, like, fine, let me do my reps. And then I'm back home and I'm going about my business, it'd be a lot easier. Removed a lot of friction. And that's the mindset that I'm bringing to this and why I got that camera. Okay. So anyway, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I think they've got a Pocket 4 now, but frankly, it's a little harder to get here in the United States for some regulatory reasons, whatever. That one will work just fine. Anyway, that's if this one comes out, and I like it when I see it, this will have been Founder's Memo number 2. I'll see you on the next one. You know what? I think I figured out the active track on this thing finally. Watch this. Oh, yeah. It works. One of the reasons I got this camera, too. If I was walking around or whatever, the damn thing, I knew it would work. Now it does.